How to clear clipboard on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you if there is a way to clear clipboard on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that unlike Android, iPhone don't have a direct clipboard option for your iPhone, but here is a quick trick like you'll have to open your Note application. After you open Note application, simply you have to just long press any text whom you want to copy. After select it, tap on copy, and from this way, this will replace your existing text that are saved in your clipboard with harmless text. And from here, you can simply paste that another text that you have been replaced by copying this text on your clipboard. iOS also cleared your clipboard after a while or when apps aren't in use. So there is no any manual wipe option, but this is the best way to protect your clipboard. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.